Let me see.
Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, and this is Sheffield United versus Arsenal. Arsenal versus Sheffield United preview. Also, my predicted lineup, guys. Really deflated. I have no interest at all with this Arsenal club. I'm losing interest as the days goes by. Now, Sheffield United is having a horrible season. They are already been. They can consider themselves in the championship. Guess what? They haven't won in such a long time, and I can tell you, Arsenal, the Santa Claus, red and white, will be coming into town. We have points given away, handing out points there. You want a point? Hey, you want a point? Hey, do you want a point? Hey, you want a point? Hey, you want 3 points? Hey, you want 3 points? 3 points. Wow. Hey, do you want 3 points? Sheffield United, do you want 3 points? That is Arsenal at this moment. We want to give 3 points to every single one. Now, guys, please smash that like button. I really appreciate you guys. Smash that like button. So this is going to be a good one. So let me move into some general stuff actually about Arsenal and Sheffield United. These meetings, and I can tell you, it is some negative stats, and then now we're going to break it. Or if it's a positive stats, we will break it and let it become negative. If it's a negative stats, we will let it continue. This is Arsenal, as I said before. We are the Santa Claus Club. If you want something, you're going to get early Christmas. You want a Christmas present? We have 3 points. Hey, 3 points over here, 3 points over here. And that is us. That is Arsenal in the table. Right now, we're at 11th position. 11th position. So guys, sit in, relax. As I said, smash your like button and let's get into things. Alright, so as you guys can see, Sheffield United are unbeaten in all 4 home Premier League matches against Arsenal. So, as I said, this is a negative stats. Guess what? It goes in favor of Sheffield United. There's a strong possibility that we will allow this negative stat to continue. We won. They won 2 and drew 2 as well, winning their last 2 1-0 in 2006, 2007, and 2020 season. Just a season ago. Arsenal played more Premier League matches against Aubameyang without winning than at any other ground. Can you imagine? At any other ground. This is our worst ground. Their last 4 away top flight win at Sheffield United was in April 1991, winning 2-0 with goals from Kevin Campbell and Alan Smith. And these guys are seniors right now. These guys are seniors. So the London teams have won each of their last 3 Premier League visits to face Sheffield United at Bramall Lane, West Ham, Tottenham, and Chelsea. As many sides from the capital had won in their first 24 visits to the ground in completion. In the competition, 1-3, drew 6, and lose 15. Guess what? We won't add on to that win list. We will not. I'm not confident in this game. I have no confidence in this team, and I can tell you these guys need to move out. With some of these players need to leave the team. All right, so let's go. None of the Sheffield United last 16 Premier League games have finished level. They won 4 and lost 12. So it's either they won or they lose. So definitely, let's guess what? They're going to win 5 and lose and just keep the same loss. Only Manchester City, 19 on a longer current run without a draw. Definitely. So, guys, that has a lot to say. That has a lot to tell you. Look at it. I want you guys to look at the table. Look at the table. We have Manchester City played 32 games and 74 points. That is Manchester City on 74 points. Arsenal on 42 points. That is a 32 goal and points differential. 32 points differential between Arsenal and Manchester City. Let's see from the top 4. We are 22 points away from top 4. 22 points. 22 points, people. Oh, my bad. We are 12 points away from top 4, and we're not going to get it unless all of these teams in front of us crumble, and that will not happen. To move in the Europa League spot, we are literally 10 points away from the top 6 position. That's 4 games. That's 4 games that we won't win. That's definitely 4 games we won't win. Unless Tottenham lose all they get, unless West Ham lose all, that it just won't happen. So Aston Villa is in front of us, Leeds is in front of us, Everton is in front of us, Tottenham Hotspur is in front of us, and West Ham is in front of us. Liverpool is having the worst season and they're still in front of us. People, it is an embarrassing, this is a shambolic season. And look at that. Sheffield United have conceded 52 goals this season. 52 goals Sheffield United has conceded. 52 goals, can you imagine? These guys conceded 52 goals and only scored 25 goals in all 30 games. That is shambolic. We have 8 matches left in this season. The season is practically done, and Arsenal is going to finish 12 or 11. That is evident. All right, so let me move on from there. So, people, definitely, this is what is happening. We are having a bad season, worst season in the club's history. Well, one of definitely. It has been really, really a long while. But let us see what else Arsenal have to offer on the plate. What are the bad record? What are the bad results? So let's have a look into it. But guess what? Let's move into the predicted lineup. I want to move directly into the predicted lineup, people. So that is next. All right. So definitely, this is the predicted lineup, and first person in goal we have Burnley. Yes, I won't say Burnley is the best, but he's definitely better than Matt Ryan. We can disagree to that. We can agree to that, but he's definitely better than Matt Ryan. At the right back position, I am going for set. Kieran Tierney is still out. Oh my word, this is horrible. Hector Bellerin has to be the one. Kieran Tierney is still out. Hector Bellerin has to be the one. At left back, I'm going with Cedric Shuars. We still have to be sure we're earning players in particular position that is not their favorite position. And for the centre back pairing, Pablo Mari. We definitely have to see Pablo Mari now. And give Gabriel some rest. Gabriel has double back-to-back game, poor performance back-to-back. So it means that Pablo Mari has to come in the team now. At the right defensive, oh my word, Rob Holding. The players that consistently allow headers, soft goals, all these type of, oh my word. I'm so sick of some of these players. Let me see what kind of formation. Definitely, let's fix that. 4-2-3-1. That is Mikel Arteta's formation. That is Mikel Arteta's formation. So let's go for it. In midfield, going for Granit Xhaka. Definitely Granit Xhaka and Thomas Partey. Granit Xhaka and Thomas Partey, that is evident. Now let's move into the central attacking midfield area. I'm going for Odegaard. Ooh, I'm not even sure. All right, let's go. Smith Rowe. Going for Smith Rowe, people. Emile Smith Rowe. Over on the right. After give Pepe a chance, it's now time for Pepe to come back into the team. And on the left hand side, I'm going for Saka to give the team a bit of balance, because we know that we'll be having let me see, just maybe. Ooh. So up front we have man himself, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, came on and provided an assist in the last game. So people, that there is my predicted starting lineup. I can be wrong, you guys might disagree, but I do think that from my preference, I do think that is the best formation to put out. People are going to say, why not play Lacazette? People, we see the reason why we don't play Lacazette. Chance after chance after chance, not in the areas of the pitch that he should be at that particular time. All over the place where he should be involved in the goal scoring opportunities is not there. So people, it's very, very difficult for me to give someone like Lacazette a continuous start over and over again when he's not providing anything. But people, thank you very much for tuning in. This has been Military Guna TV. Much respect. Really appreciate that you guys took the time out to be here. This has been a good one. And guess what? I am out.